Hey everyone! So I am doing an unboxing for Mercy Tiara Kits. Cuddle Up is the new kit. My unboxing is going to look a little different this month. Some things happened, and I'm missing a few things. I got my package and it was cut open and things were not where they were supposed to be. Some things have been damaged. Some things just weren't in the package. That's not Tracy's problem. That is just the mail. Unfortunately, sometimes things happen. Luckily, I did have some stuff that I previously bought, and then I have some cardstock and stuff in my stash that will kind of go along with it. So I figured I would still go over what I did get and the things that I'm bringing back in. So this kit is adorable. I know it's still like mostly warm out and everything, at least where I am. It may not be like that everywhere, but I'm still ready for fall. I'm so ready for fall. I have got my sweatshirts and my hoodies and my sweaters. I'm just ready for it. But we get this gorgeous sequin set in the kit this month. There's greens and blues and like gold and white. Love them. We also get, I think it's different per kit, but you get 3 of the washi tapes for the cider and donuts collection from Simple Stories. So those are gorgeous. I love the brown with the cute little flowers. And then there's more flowers here with the yellow mustardy color. And then this says give thanks. And I love that. So we have those. You get the journal bits, cider and donuts, and all of this is not from the main kit. I want to make sure that that said. My stuff was not like all in their bags, so I'm not exactly sure what kit they are all from. I know I have the embellishment kit, the embellishment kit, the main kit. It was supposed to be the cardstock kit and the pattern paper add-on, but I'm not quite sure where everything is or goes, and I apologize, but it's got a bunch of tags and labels and pretty little things. I'm not gonna open all of that right now. I am gonna open this though. So we get, okay, well, I'm gonna do this first. Okay, I love this too. I've been liking adding the texture back into my scrapbooking, and look at that. How gorgeous is that? Can you see that on there? It's got beautiful little detail. It looks like it could be either flowers or leaves. Love, 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 love that. One, not only can you reuse this bag in your crafting, it has a thing here so you can seal it yourself if you want to. I mean, you can peel this off if you would like as well. But inside of this cute little bag, I'm gonna lose pieces. There is this gorgeous, look at the wood veneer. I mean, the cuddle is real. And here's the little top for the eye, if I can sit it down right. And then we've got the cute little acorns. Gorgeous. I absolutely love this. And if I'm not mistaken, these aren't actually wood veneers. These are real wood. It's not the plasticky stuff. This is actual real wood. Now, this is, of course, a piece of a piece of plastic that's cut out, or acrylic, and it's gorgeous. But I love the wood grain. It goes amazing with this, and the whole little bag can be used, so I'm extremely excited about that. Then you get the Cedar House alphas, so more wood grain. Again, something I completely love. I love the small. And then you also get this one, the thickers, and I don't know if you can see that. Let me see here if I can get this open. So you also get these thickers, and I don't know if you can tell, but there is gold on these as well. Let me see if I can get that to where you guys can see that. You see that shine? So you get the large ones, and there's the back side, and you have these little ones, so you can combine and do a title, which is awesome. And then you get these pretty Maggie Holmes ones. It's Forever Fields, right? Yep, Forever Fields. And so all these beautiful colors go really well with all of this. And it's two-sided, and these are like those, they're kind of like puffy stickers. They are puffy stickers. Okay. Okay, and this is where I get into, I'm not quite sure where everything is. I know there was supposed to be another ephemera pack, which I have in my stash, and then like some stuff from Echo Park. I don't have those, but I did have I did already have these, so I'm going to go ahead and just throw those in with here because I'll use them either way. And what's left over, I'll throw back in my stash and use on other things. But this comes in your kit as well. Like I said, mine was missing, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw this back in there since I already had it. I mean, seriously, though, look at the little mushrooms in multiple colors, the cute little pumpkins. I'm a big fan of simple stories, so that's kind of not a surprise that I have that. Let me move this out of the way for a second. Now, the cardstock add-on, you get these gorgeous papers from Crate Paper, the cute pink, I guess there's two, pink and light pink, which will go with the stuff in it. Here's one of my papers. It was ripped, which is okay because I can make that work. That's not that huge of a deal. And the other side is the blue. So I have those. And then there is pattern paper. I'm pretty sure all of it's here. I'm gonna say, they're supposed to be brown and blue. And so what I did is I went ahead and just kind of grabbed out of my stash. I have browns in here, and I think, let me put two of those. I think those will work with this. And then there was supposed to be like a darker blue. I don't know exactly what color of blue, but I mean, oh, see, I have some, that brown. No, the darker brown works better. I don't know, maybe, I mean, that might, it's a little too dark. I have some more too, but I'm just trying to figure out one that will kind of go with it and take the place of the one that was in the kit. Either way, even if I don't find it right now, it's okay because I have stuff in my stash that can be used. So it'll work. And I don't always use all of the cardstock. Sometimes I use it on the next kit or something like that. So it's not a really big deal. And I did get the pattern paper add-on and the main kit as well. I'm guessing from the amount of paper that's here. So one side is pumpkins, and they are too cute. They can totally be fussy cut out. And then the other side is this gorgeous tone-on-tone grid. Absolutely love. I really like that tealy color, if that's what you call it. I'm not sure. I had went through and matched them up, just so you guys know, when I was trying to figure out what it was and was not here. So look at the cute little animals. I can see me cutting those out. I'm just saying, I get it. Fussy cutting is not everybody's jam, but it is mine. I love doing it. And then that is the other side, and I can see me cutting out some of those pumpkins as a possibility as well. So I don't know, maybe it's an issue, maybe it's not, but I'm okay with that. We've got these cute little buckets of apples. That's one thing I would love to do. I'd like to go apple picking. I haven't done that. I would love to do it. We'll see, maybe. And then there's the tone-on-tone orange plaid. So we'll stick that there. And then let's see, so far we have Sweater Weather by Echo Park. And then we have Cider and Donuts by Simple Stories. And then this is Forever Fields by Maggie Holmes. Right? Yep. Okay. And I love these as well. I think the colors are gorgeous. I mean, they mix and match, but you could also stick to a completely different color scheme if you would like to. So, and I love the polka dots. Oh, I love the polka dots. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's hard though, because I could totally use this as a background. I love it. But then I also love the flowers. So we'll have to see how that goes. I don't know, because I really do like that. I love them both. I'm just saying. I just can see me totally using both of those as a background. Then there's this. This is Cider and Donuts again. I can totally fussy cut some of this out, and I like this too. There's 2 pages, so huge plus. And then look at this. Look at that squirrel. And then the sweater and the boots and the mittens and the coffee. Ugh, I love it. Look at the little pumpkins. Ugh, cute little things to layer, getting cozy. Books. I mean, I love books year round, but I really like them in the winter too, where I can get cozy and go ahead and read. There's that. And I talk too much. Sorry, y'all. Look at the little chipmunks. They're so cute. I love that. And then the other side is kind of like, there you go. Is that? It's the washi tape in paper form. Let's see. Oh, this is adorable. I love, love, love that plaid. That is just gorgeous. And then on the other side is darker, but still has a ton of color. It's got that thankful all over it. That is awesome. I like the faux stitching here as well. I really do like that. Making sure I'm not getting the wrong paper. Then here's another plaid. I love the branding strip. The branding strips, I love. That's one thing that Simple Stories always does, is their branding strips are always something that you can use as well. So, and the other side is just the opposite, you know, but look at all those little mushrooms. Those are absolutely adorable. My daughter will dig that one completely. And I'm gonna move these because I'm already stacking up over there. And then we get into Maggie Holmes, and one side is a map that says Queensland. So is that Australia? Is that right? If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. Please don't get mad at me. Is Queensland Australia or is that England? I don't know. I'm sorry. I can totally see that as a background too. And then you get this gorgeous stripe. Love that. And then these are the last two papers. Cute strawberries. That's more of a spring thing here to go pick strawberries, but I could use the other side too, and I can still figure out how to use that as a layer. That's not a big deal. I like the way that these are put to the stripes that they're put in. So there is the Cuddle Up kit. I wanted to go ahead and get this, I mean, just to be honest, I wanted to get this unboxing done so I can totally just dig in and play with all the pretties. So I am gonna go do that. I really hope that you enjoyed this. There will be other people unboxing, so if I missed anything, like I said, I think there was some more embellishments by Echo Park that were supposed to be in the kits and stuff. Mine just got lost with the mail, with it being open and everything. It's not really that big of a surprise. So there will be other ones, and it'll also be live on the site, so you'll see everything that's supposed to be in all the different kits. So I really hope that you enjoy this. Sorry for my yabbering, but please come back again so you can see what I create with this gorgeous thing. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.